Steffanie. Welcome to Steffanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have for you a fajita taco style bowl. I'll be using this Vigo cilantro lime rice in the recipe, as well as some black beans, some salsa, and tofu. So if you would like to see how I make that, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, first off, I'm going to cook the rice as instructed on the package. You put in 2 cups of water with a lid and let it come to a boil, and then add the rice with 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter. I'm going to use some vegan butter, but I'm also going to put a little of my fake chicken bouillon in here with it to give it better flavor. And it says cook for 20 to 25 minutes, so we'll do that. I'm going to chop up my onion, chop up my tofu, and saute my onions, mushrooms, and then I have my mushrooms are trying to go bad too, as well as my pepper. I think it's okay. I'm gonna cut those up, and this is I forget the name of it. It's the one that begins with an S. It's not the jalapeno. It's not as hot. So it's hot, but it's not as hot as the jalapeno. But I have that, black beans, mango salsa, as well as taco seasoning. And nothing is going to be measured. I'm just going to cook today as I normally cook. It's not really a recipe. I'm just throwing some stuff together, but I thought I'd share, so stay tuned. Okay, I put my water in, as well as my 2 tablespoons of avocado butter, avocado oil, plant-based bread. I don't know if any of you guys tried this. I really like it. It's made by, I don't know who it's made by, Pure Blends. But this is what I've been using. I like it. If you've used it before, comment below and let me know. And let me know how you like it. I'm going to chop up my other stuff. And I'm also only going to use one of these since I have mushrooms. That's protein as well as this, so I don't need both of them. Okay, I'm going to take this and drain it. I pressed the water out of my tofu, and I'm just going to cut it. So they're just a little small. And I like to put a little oil on it, and then my dry seasoning, and cook it that way. Have some grapeseed oil. I'm going to put some grapeseed oil in the pan. I don't want this all over my hands. That's the only reason I'm doing this. I'm going to put it on the bottom. I'm also going to put some on here because I poured enough in there so that these can crisp up. I have my toaster oven on 425, and I'm going to cook these as long as I cook the rice, which should be 20 or 25 minutes. I'm going to put this on the bottom here. This is my chicken seasoning, and I will link that up in the top cards. And the only reason that I'm putting it on here as opposed there, because I don't want this all over my cutting board, because I still got to cut up my onions and stuff. Although it wouldn't matter, but that makes too much of a mess for me. And I'm just going to take and roll these around in that sauce, or not sauce, but seasoning, so that they're coated on both sides. That's the chicken seasoning. I'm also going to put a little bit of my taco seasoning on here as well. This taco seasoning, I did not make it, and to me it has a little bit too much salt in it, so I don't use a lot of it. Now I'm going to take a little bit more oil, or in my little shot cup, and take this. And that is it. Now I'm going to put this in and put my rice in, and then we'll be back. So I'm going to chop up my pepper. I'm going to leave the seeds in. It's going to be a little bit spicy. If you don't want it spicy, just leave the seeds out, or leave the pepper out completely. It'll still be just fine. Okay, for my chop up my onion. So that is that. I made a couple cloves of garlic. We're going to get 3. And I'm going to cook these with the mushrooms and the black beans all together in a saucepan with some taco seasoning and some chicken seasoning. So I'll be back. Okay, we poured some oil in the pan, just a little bit, to coat the bottom of the pan. I'm taking my mushrooms that are on their last little leg, and they're about to go bad. Make sure they look all right under there. They're a little brown, but they're okay. These are baby bella mushrooms. I'm gonna put these in here and let them cook down some, and then I add the onions and garlic and peppers. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of sea salt to this to draw out some of the water, and a little black pepper. I took my beans out the can and I rinsed them off. I like to rinse my beans off. I don't really care for canned foods too much. And I'm gonna take my taco seasoning and just spread it on there. That's probably about, I don't know, 1 tablespoon maybe. I'm gonna throw these beans in here, and I'm gonna put the top on it and let it marry up together. I'll let it cook down a little bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning. And we got about, I don't know, 5 or 10 more minutes on the rice and the tofu. Yeah. And by the time this finishes, that should be finished. And we'll be ready to plate and give it a taste test. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, I have finished the bowl. I also put a better screenshot up there or over here somewhere to kill you guys and let you guys see it. I'm going to mix all of mine up together. Some people eat it each separately. Let me taste each little piece separately. The tofu is good. It's not crispy because I used to put it on a rack in a big oven, and it gets crispy because when it's on the rack, the air circulates. So if you're going to cook it like this, cook it in an air fryer or cook it on a rack if you want it to be crispy, because it's still kind of soft and it gets crispy. This salsa is one of my favorites. It's mango salsa. It is so freaking delicious. The beans, this is still really hot. I took photos and it's still really, really hot. And I love this rice. I just started eating this rice. I went in Publix one day and they was doing a demo with some food and they had this rice. And I tasted it and I was in love, and I've been buying it ever since. I'm gonna mix it all up together because I like mine all mixed up together. Like when I go to Chipotle, I mix it all up together. This would be very, very good with some smashed avocado on the top, but I do not have any avocado. I ate it all. My last one for breakfast. I don't have any because I'm an avocado toast eater or oatmeal, primarily what I eat. So let's taste it all mixed together and see what we get. Bon appetit. That is so good. Guys, you have to try this. I leave everything I used in the description box below. This will feed probably 2 to 3 people. If you're small kids, maybe 4. But for 2, it'll feed 2 adults. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I will leave any of my recipes, the chicken seasoning, I'll leave it up here in the cards as well as down below. Check either place in the description box or up here in the iCards. I also leave my tofu recipe up there too, because you can do the fried tofu or you can do the baked. I decided I'd do baked. I'm eating a lot of fried food. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.